can get that fresh look how you got it early, like how it was early in the morning when you did your makeup. You can get that again in the evening without having to do all of your makeup again. You're gonna love this. And we're back with another educational beauty video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you something which I don't know why I haven't shown you before. This is a complete game changer for fresh looking makeup. Now, if you've had your makeup on all day and you're wondering how you can reapply your foundation without disturbing any of the other makeup very quickly, then this is the video for you. You've got to stay tuned because this is going to change it for you completely. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to reapply your foundation in just 10 minutes without ruining the rest of your makeup. Now, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. And I'm over on Instagram, so if you like reels, unboxing, a bit of life in general behind the scenes, then make sure you follow me there too. Now let's head straight into this video. So this is something that I have done so many times on myself, but I never really thought it was something that maybe anyone would want to know. Have you ever had those days where you've had a full look on? It doesn't have to be as elaborate as this. You don't have enough time to kind of like do all of your makeup again, but you also know that just freshening up that base is not gonna, it's just not gonna help. Like it's just not gonna cut it. You know when like you feel like your makeup's just, it just looks like it's been there forever, and you know that by freshening it up, and when I say by freshening it up, I'm talking about maybe adding more powder, blotting it, you know, like using your sponge over it to like get rid of any shine. You know that none of that is gonna cut it. It's not gonna do what you need it to do. You need your base to look fresh again, you know, like fresh when you first apply it. I'm going to show you what I do. And what I do sometimes, if I don't have enough time, is I reapply my base. So I remove my base and I redo it without disturbing the rest of my makeup. And my makeup literally goes from here to here within 10 minutes. You can get that fresh look how you got it early, like how it was early in the morning when you did your makeup. You can get that again in the evening without having to do all of your makeup again. You're gonna love this. I honestly don't know why I haven't done this video before, because I do this on myself so much. I guess it just, you know, like you just forget that some basic things that you do, maybe other people want to know how to do this. So yeah, here we go, guys. First off, we're gonna remove all of this makeup underneath. Now, I'm not really fussed about my forehead. On your forehead, there isn't usually as much makeup on your forehead as there is on the rest of your face. So I don't need to worry about that so much. Now, what I am going to do is I'm going to time this so that you guys can see that you can do it in 10 minutes. First thing I'm going to do is get my wet wipe ready. Don't worry, we're going to be sorting out the skin. You don't have to worry about that. This is one of those kind of, I wouldn't say hack, well, it is kind of a hack, but at the same time, it's one of those things where when you don't have time and you need to sort your makeup out like quick, you need it to be done very quickly, you need it to look fresh, and you don't have time to kind of mess around with face wash and stuff like that, because that's just going to ruin everything. So what I'm going to be doing is starting my timer. Let's get started. So let me find my timer on here. There we go, timers. Let's get 10 minutes ready. Okay, you know what I'm like when it comes to hitting the timer, hitting the start button. I start like, okay, I overthink it. Whew, it's getting hot in here. Okay, let's go. And we are going to go. Okay, we're gonna just take off this bottom part here. Only the bottom part, okay? We're not doing the forehead. You don't need to worry about that. Don't go too close up under the eye area. There you go. We've taken that off. Now what we're going to do is get a cotton pad. We're going to get our micellar water. And we are going to now clean up that same area, because we don't want to kind of break out or anything. So we really want to make sure we clean this area. Okay, you can do this a few times, however much you feel that you need to do it. There you go. Now that's done. Now what we're going to do is let that kind of like just dry a bit, you know, like calm down. I'm going to put some more eye cream on, and all the products are going to be listed in my description box below. There you go. You've got to make sure you put your skincare on again. Make sure you cleanse underneath properly though, obviously. Now, this is obviously a quick fix, right? This isn't like how I would do your makeup in the morning. This is if you've only got 10 minutes and you know you want to freshen it for the evening. Why am I wasting time talking? Okay, next we're going to put a little bit of moisturizer on. Press that on. Okay. Next up, we are gonna add a little bit of primer. Ow, all the products are gonna be on my, if not on the screen, then in the description box. Okay, let's go. Concealer. How we normally do. Get the sponge. And we're not going to focus on going too close to the under eye area, like the lower lash line, because obviously we don't want to ruin the makeup that's already there. So don't go too close. I've done this so many times and it's honestly amazing for just making you look like fresh makeup again. It's great. Okay. There you go, under eye is done. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our foundation. Before we do that, we are just gonna quickly sculpt a little bit. Yes, we have time to do that. We're only gonna do the cheeks. There you go. Okay, get your foundation, back of the hand, and we're just gonna now put this all over. We're gonna start on the under eye area, and we're just gonna connect it up here. See this bit here? Because we don't want it to look like it's completely disconnected. And then go over the nose. By the way, if you wanted to, you could take the makeup off the forehead as well. Like, it's really up to you. If you feel that you can do it careful enough to not, you know, ruin your brows, then do it. But otherwise, honestly, this will be enough. So see how we're getting there? Just like drag along the jawline. Okay. We are gonna get our powder puff and our powder. We're gonna just set this area here and just anywhere else you feel that you need it. Oh, I've got like powder all over me. Okay. Dust all this off. Grab your smaller brush. And then just do, and this is where I like to take this small brush and just go over the forehead. There you go. Okay, we're gonna just clean up our hands. I've got powder everywhere on me. And what else have we got left? What I like to do is just kind of finish off. Now I like to go over my lower lashes with a little bit of mascara, because I feel like if I've got powder anywhere, then this will kind of like, you know, sort them out in case I've got powder on my lashes. And then you can go ahead and bronze sculpt your face. I love how there are just so many different things, tricks you can use in makeup. I just love it. Like, if you don't have time, there's always something you can do to make yourself look better with makeup. Okay, I think I need a little bit more lip liner. And what else do I need? Oh, I need to like sculpt my nose quickly. Guys, guess what? I have time for it. So just gonna redo my nose sculpting. And see what I mean? I don't even mean 10 minutes just for your foundation application. I'm talking about 10 minutes to redo your entire base from eyes down. I love this. I just love this because I feel like it's something all of us are going to need at some point, you know, where you just don't have the time and you want to redo your makeup. Sorry, I know I'm making a lot of noise here. And lastly, I do want to add a bit of blush. Had a bit of fluff that just flew into my face. Oh, okay. Oh God, where is that gone? Okay. Bit of blush here. Guys, I think that's it. We've got like 45 seconds to spare. I mean, that's what I wanted to show you. How amazing is that you can do that in less than 10 minutes? You can completely redo your base and have everything look fresh and flawless again very quickly. Like, it's just something that I think can, like, I'm just literally, I have so much time left. I'm like, why hasn't my timer gone off yet? Like, I'm just waiting for it. It's 20 seconds left. Like, this is amazing. In less than 10 minutes, you can do your entire base again and make everything look brand new and fresh again. I don't think I've ever had this much time left. Like, I'm just sitting here like, this is strange. 2, 1. There you go. Started vibrating. Okay, there we go. Turn it off. And that's it. I really hope this is going to help you. I actually know it's going to help you because I know that if I've been in this situation so many times where I need my whole base to look fresh again because I'm going somewhere important and I really don't have time to be able to do my eyes again, and I don't want to do my brows again, which is going to take me forever. I would much rather be able to just do my base fresh again so that everything looks kind of new, shiny and new and matte and flawless. So I know it's going to help you because there must be so many other people in the same boat as me. So yeah, I guess there you go, guys. That's how you do it. And I'm glad that within those 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes, I've managed to show you the whole process, not just reapplying your foundation, but removing whatever you had there. And to be honest, I guess you kind of could have had spent a minute or so extra, like you had an extra 45 seconds to cleanse thoroughly beforehand. So like I obviously could have cleansed a lot more beforehand. Like even though I haven't cleansed the way that I would normally like to cleanse, which is wash my face, I know this is going to be okay for an evening. You know, it's not the end of the world. I'm not going to all of a sudden something's going to happen to my skin. Everything's going to be fine. It's just if you are in an emergency situation, then this is great to do that. So yeah, wherever you guys are in the world, I'm sending you loads of love, and yeah, good luck with recreating this, and I know you're going to be able to do it. I hope this video has helped you today, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments box below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon.